Let's make classic grilled cheese sandwich. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Melt the butter on low heat. For classic cheese sandwich, use white bread. Spread mayonnaise lightly on the inner side of toasts. Put a slice of American cheese on it. I added some sharp cheddar cheese, shavings optional. A slice of mild cheddar will work just fine. Keeping heat on the lowest setting all the time. Cook 3-4 minutes each on both sides. Turning once or twice. Cover for 1 minute to melt cheese completely. Grilled cheese sandwich is ready. Enjoy with your favorite soup. And don't forget to subscribe to Flavor Island, we'll be grateful. The first bite and that cheese string. Subscribe.